In this video, I will be showing you how to enable Copilot on the taskbar in Windows 11. Let's get started. I will first move my mouse down to the taskbar and click on the Copilot icon to launch the application. Once the window opens up, I can see the interface welcoming me. I will click into the main text input field right where it says, Message Copilot. Now I will start typing out a specific prompt to test its functionality. I will type, explain why sleep is essential for memory, learning, and overall health. Once the sentence is complete, I will navigate my cursor over to the right side of the input bar and click on the circular arrow button to submit my message. The application takes a brief moment to process the query, showing the entered prompt at the top. Almost immediately, Copilot begins generating a detailed response broken down into sections, highlighting points like sleep and memory, as well as sleep and learning. I will pause here for a moment to let the response completely finish loading on the screen. As it populates more information, it details further points such as sleep and overall health, physical restoration, and the overall big picture. I will scroll down slightly to view the final section of the response. Once the response is fully generated, I will move my cursor to the top right corner of the window and click the Minimize button to close out the active window, returning to my desktop screen. Next, I will go down to the Windows search bar on the taskbar and type in the word, Settings. As the search results appear, I will click on the Settings System app icon to open the main system configuration window. Inside the Settings application, I will look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on the Personalization tab. From the Personalization menu on the right side of the screen, I will scroll down and click on the option labeled Taskbar. This opens up specific settings for taskbar items and system tray icons. I will scroll further down this menu until I find the section titled Other System Tray Icons. I will click on this menu to expand it, revealing a long list of applications that can be toggled on or off for the taskbar area. I will scroll all the way down through the application list until I locate the Copilot option. Once found, I will move my cursor to the right side of the Copilot label and click the toggle switch to change its state from off to on. After enabling the toggle, I will look down at the bottom right corner of my taskbar in the system tray area to confirm that the Copilot icon is now visibly present. Now that the icon is successfully enabled, I will close out the settings window by clicking the close icon in the top right corner. Finally, I will test the freshly enabled shortcut by moving my cursor down to the system tray and clicking directly on the Copilot icon. The window successfully opens right back up to my previous conversation, confirming the shortcut works perfectly. I will click the close icon once more to return to the desktop. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.